are you excited for your school? Yeah. Okay, this is your first day. Okay, let's go. Come here. Let's go. Let's go to your school. Today is September 11, Monday. This is Elia's first day of school. Yay! Are you excited, Elia?
Yeah.
Okay. So excited siya kasi day off ko ngayon kasi ang first Sunday, Monday. So ako yung maghahalad kay Elia every Monday sa school. Dapat ang daycare pero ako na lang kasi nga para makabahaba ang tulog ni Elia. At least nakahaba siya ng maka 8 hours man lang siya ng tulog. Kasi ang pasok ni Elia sa school 1 o'clock. Meron kasi silang morning, meron din silang afternoon. So pinili ko yung afternoon kasi nga para makatulog ng mahaba si Elia. So it's already 12:30. So malapit lang naman yung school ni Elia dito sa 2 blocks away lang. So it's a walking distance yung school ni Elia dito. So hindi na kami sasakyan, hindi na kami gumamit ng car kasi nga malapit lang din naman. It's exercise na rin. It's a walking distance. Malapit na kami. Elia, malapit na kami. Break time ata ng mga kids kaya ayun, lalaro sila. Ayun, so break time nga ng mga kids kaya nasa playground sila. Yeah. Ano ang other school kay Trena Lison? Yeah, are you excited for your school? Yeah. Are you? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come here. Let's go to your school.
How old is she?
4 years old. Yeah, nursery.
She first?
Huh?
She the first time?
Yeah, her first time. Yeah. Dito kami sa school ni Elia. Elia. Hi. Ayan. So medyo napaaga kami. Ayan pa yung mga ibang classmate ni Elia. So mamaya pa kami papasok. Kita lang muna kami. Are you excited? Do you love to go to school? Yeah. Okay, good job. School ni Elia. Ayan. So medyo napaaga kami. So hintayin na lang muna namin pa lumabas yung teacher. Ay mga classmate niya siguro ni Elia. And this is Elia. Hello Elia. Are you excited to go to school? Do you love to go to school?
Yeah.
Nice. Show me your bag. Wow. Wow, nice bag.
It's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn and it's color pink. Your favorite color.
Yeah, because
Yeah. And excited na daw siya pumunta ng school. Dito na kami, naghihintay lang. Ito yung school ni Elia. That's her school. Si Elia. Happy si Elia. Oh, happy. Smile Elia. Mga classmate ni Elia tayo. Elia. Are you excited? Okay, that's good. You got your name, huh? What's your name? Say it. Elia. Nice. Pasok na sila sa school. Bye, Elia. See you later. See you later. Okay? You go to school now. Pasok na sila. Go, Elia. Go. Hi. Pasok na sila dun. Ayan, nasa loob na. Medyo teary-eye si Elia eh. Hindi na mamiyak si Elia. Andun na sila. Nakapila na sila doon. So, pumasok ko sa loob ng school kasi nga tignan ko kung iyak siya. So, hindi naman umiyak si Elia. Okay naman siya. Andun na sila. Ayan. Si Elia. Okay na siya. Thank you.
All was good.
Yeah, she did not cry. she have a teary eye. But it's okay.
You know what?
Yeah.
She'll be fine.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
welcome. Thank
Thanks.
you.
Yeah. Yan. So, hindi naman siya umiyak. Teary eye lang siya. So, uwi na ako. Tapos mga around 3:30, sundin ko na naman si Elia. Okay na, uwi na ako. So hindi naman umiyak si Elia. Medyo teary-eye lang siya pero she's good. Sundin ko siya mamaya ng mga around 3:30. 3:30 yung labasan nila. Pero sundin ko muna si Rowena sa work. Bago sundin si Elia. Tapos yung mga bata naman na dalawang kuya niya, si Edri Ellison, 3:40 yung labas naman nila. Pero may school bus naman. Dirap lang dun sa corner ng house namin. Ayan. Pauwi na ako. So ito yung daycare ni Elia. Ayun yung building na yun na nasa corner. And then ito naman yung school ni Elia. Very walking distance lang. Ayan. Yun lang. Napakalapit na school at daycare ni Elia. So on Tuesday, ihatid ko si Elia sa daycare. Yung daycare na ang maghatid at sundo kay Elia. Ngayon lang kasi Monday, wala akong pasok. Kaya ako muna kasi baka ma-overwhelm si Elia eh. Ayun, so ayun yung school nila, malapit lang. So kaya ako muna ang naghatid kay Elia. Pero sa tomorrow Tuesday, daycare na niya maghatid at magsusundo para kay Elia. Kasi may work ako na tomorrow. Ayun. Dito na ako sa work ni Rowena. Sunduin ko na siya. Ayan. Tapos ko siyang sunduin. Uwi na kami para sunduin naman si Elia uli kasi 1:30 yung 1:30, 3:30 yung labas ni Rowena sa work. Tapos sila Edna naman sa Ellison, drop off nila is 3:30 pero usually late eh. Mga 3:40, 3:15 sila dinadrop off. Ayan, so dito na ako sa labas. Tayo ko muna si Rowena. Tapos uwi na kami. Tumatakbo. Tumatakbo siya. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Tumatakbo, ayan na. Ayan na, nagmamandali, ayan na. Mahangin sa labas. Halika na. Uwi na kami. Hindi namin si Elia. Di ba 3:30?
Grabe.
Ako busy. Busy ako. Siyempre, dinapop ko yung mga bata kaya umaga.
Kamusta si Elia?
Ayun, panoorin mo na sa FB Reels.
Ay, nasa
Oo, hinanap ko na. Tapos sinundo kita. Pagkatapos sunduin si Elia naman. Sunduin. Tapos piano lesson. Busy. Grabe, sobrang busy ako.
Daddy's duty.
Daddy's duty and husband duty. Okay. Sakay na uli kami sa sakyan. Yan. Ay, sarado pa pala. Di pa pala nabubuksan. Ayan. Okay, dadrive muna ako. Ano ko kasi, kawawa naman si Elia, wala siyang kanyang memory sa kanyang first day of school. Baka magalit siya paglaki niya. Ba't wala akong memory ng first day of school ko? Yung mga kuya ko meron. Sunduin na namin si Elia. Ayun si Mami. Nauuna na. Nakita na namin si Elia, dumaan kami. So, susunduin na namin. Ayun na. Nakapila na sila dun. Are you happy? How's your school? How's your school? Good?
Good.
Do you like
You
it?
like it?
Huh? Do you like your school, Elia? Nice, good job. What did you do in the school? Huh? You play? What else? Huh? What? Okay, you have to say goodbye to your teacher so that she knows, okay? Okay. Ayan, awin na kami. Sila, Edrin naman at si Ellison na hihintayin namin. Dun sa didrop na naman sila sa ng school bus. Ayan. Namin si Elia. Ayan. How's your school, Elia?
Good.
Good? So what did you do in school?
I say hi.
You say hi to your classmate? What else?
Play.
What else?
I read the book.
Reading books?
Yeah.
Oh. And you have your snack? You have your snack? You ate your snack in school?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard there's a snack at the school, right?
What is your snack, Sanak?
Cereals? What else?
Apple.
Apple. You like it? So tomorrow again go to school, But I have to drop you to the daycare, and the daycare will drop you to the school, okay? Because daddy have work. Okay. Say bye now. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Bye vlog. Ayan, nag-enjoy si Elia sa kanyang first day of school sa nursery. Sa bukas, nahatid ko siya sa daycare. Yung daycare na ang hahatid at susundo sa kanya sa school. So every Monday ako, kasi off ako ng Monday. Ayan. So say bye!
Bye.
Bye! Say bye! Bye vlog! Bye vlog! Okay.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know it feels like love. This love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo. I'll hold it gently in my heart until it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know it feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.